Using Hopper gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to book travel accommodations easily. Follow these steps to make the most of your Hopper gift card. Step 1. Create or log into your Hopper account. Visit the Hopper website or open the Hopper app. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your email and setting a password. If you already have an account, simply log in. Step 2. Find your travel options. Use the search feature to enter your travel details such as destination, dates, and number of travelers. Browse through the available flights or hotels that match your criteria. Step 3. Select your booking. Once you find the travel option you want, click on it to see more details. Review the information, including prices and amenities, then proceed to select it for booking. Step 4. Apply your gift card. During the payment process, look for the option to enter your gift card code. Input the code exactly as it appears on the card. Ensure that the amount on the gift card covers your booking or that you have an alternative payment method ready for any remaining balance. Step 5. Confirm your booking. After applying the gift card, review your booking details one last time. If everything looks good, confirm your booking. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. By following these steps, you can easily use your Hopper gift card to book your next travel adventure. Enjoy your trip.